Let's face it, transport requests, TR, can sometimes feel like a mystery novel, full of suspense and hidden clues. But don't worry, decoding them is easier than you think. By using transaction codes like SE10 and STMS, checking logs, and verifying TR status, you can uncover all the secrets. And trust me, understanding dependencies will save you from any unpleasant surprises. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dig in. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Transport requests are the backbone of SAP changes. Think of them like packing boxes for a big move. You put in your configurations, developments, and enhancements, and send them safely from one system to another. They ensure consistency, track modifications, and protect your system's integrity. And just like with moving, you really don't want any surprises when unpacking. Ever seen what happens when changes are made without a proper process? Chaos. Transport requests ensure everything moves in a controlled, stable manner. No unwanted surprises. They help teams track updates, meet compliance needs, and keep the system running smoothly. Basically, they are the unsung heroes of SAP, keeping things from spiraling into madness. Think of transport requests like different types of luggage. Workbench requests pack your development objects. Customizing requests carry configuration settings. Relocation requests move objects across systems. And transport of copies allows safe testing. Each has its own job, and knowing the right one ensures a smooth ride through SAP. All right, folks, let's talk about releasing transport requests. First, ensure you've packed everything. Missing changes are like forgetting your passport before a trip. Then, follow the approval process, because rogue requests are never fun. Use the right transaction codes. Think of them as your boarding pass. Finally, always validate before the big release. A little double-checking now saves a lot of debugging later. Now that we've released the transport request, it's time for the grand entrance, importing. First, follow the right transport path, or you might end up in a digital detour. Check dependencies, because one missing link can create chaos. Keep an eye on the import logs. Think of it as reading your car's dashboard while driving. Finally, resolve conflicts early, before they morph into nightmares. Time to dig into SAP tables. E070 is your request headquarters, keeping the important details together. E071 helps track included objects. It's like scanning your luggage at airport security. Always verify the transport status before moving forward. Spot issues early, because firefighting later is a headache no one enjoys. Errors. Every transport request's worst enemy. Missing objects. That's like baking a cake, but forgetting the flour. Incorrect sequence. Imagine assembling a puzzle with no reference image. Locked objects. That's like trying to enter a building without the keys. Unauthorized changes. Well, that's a cybersecurity nightmare waiting to happen. Managing transport requests well is an art. Plan ahead, because last-minute transports are like rushed exam preparations. Keep documentation updated, unless you enjoy hunting for missing details. Test changes thoroughly, because surprises belong in birthday parties, not SAP systems. Finally, monitor performance post-transport to ensure smooth operations. Quick recap. Use SAP standard tables for insights, consistency checks to ensure integrity, and log reviews to spot errors. Before approval, validate everything, because discovering a mistake post-import is like realizing your phone's out of battery right when you need it most. Time for Q&A. Ask away. No question is too small. Next, let's apply these practices in real scenarios. Your transport management skills are about to level up. And don't forget, SAP keeps evolving, so staying updated is key. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.